up YouTube? Welcome to my channel. I appreciate you clicking on my video. Your support means a lot to me. Today we're gonna run down all the mods in my E90 330. I've done a lot of maintenance in this car. I've also done a few tasteful mods for that OEM plus look. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's do it. I want to start by talking about my headlights. I custom made these using my original xenons. They have custom black housing, switchback LED rings. The amber corner is just being blacked out. I think it's giving it OEM plus look. It looks clean. I also have the M3 front bumper with the air ducts, with the double slatted front grills. I think it looks clean. I also have the Apex ARC 8, 19-inch 8.5 in the front and 9.5 in the rear. They are offset 35 in the front and 33 in the rear, but I have a 10mm spacer which gives it 23 offset in the rear. I have the LEDs corner lights. I think they look clean. And I also made these custom side skirts using ABS plastic from Lowe's. Let me know if you're interested. I can make some content on how to make these with less than $120. I have these my B-pillars, and this one, they are, as you can see, in gloss. These are from eBay. I think they look pretty good, just like the original M3 does. Also, the matching rear side skirts with the TIK bumper. Also the M3 spoiler. It's just minimal. I think it looks great. Nothing too flashy. Back here, I do have the muffler delete. It's just a Y, and the muffler tips I got from the muffler shop, off the shelf. Blacked out 330. I think it looks cleaner than chrome, and I've been meaning to do the window trim as well, but I still haven't had time to do that. I have the ECS Performance drilled rotors from ECS Tuning. These have been great. And I have the HKS, I think, brake pads, which eliminates the brake dust. I also treated these wheels with ceramic coating so they don't get dirty anymore, barely. I do have the stud conversion and the Mishimoto lug nuts. I have the BC Racing BR series coilovers, strap the lowest as it goes in the back, and adjusted accordingly in the front. The fitment is really close, but it never rubs. In the rear, it might rub if you have full tank of gas and full people, but otherwise there's no rubbing. I think the fitment on the rear is pretty good. The front might need a little work. I think so. What do you guys think? Leave me a comment below and let me know if you like this fitment or you think it can get a little more adjustment. In the front, the entire car has been fitted with the full M3 control arm conversion. It gives the car a lot more stability and it feels more planted to the floor, and it just gives it a highlight to the already great driving feeling of the steering wheel. It's a 3mm camber gain, but I think it's barely noticeable. Just 3 degrees is very little. It definitely improves the handling. You can feel it in combination with the strut bar. It feels great. I want to do the rear as well whenever I have the chance. But it just drives a lot better. In the engine bay, it's still a little dirty because I don't have the bottom cover. So with all the desert dust, it's pretty bad all the time. I have this strut bar. I also did the custom like M3 style cowl using my original cabin filter cowl. I just cut it here and then use the Motorsports filters, cabin filters. Carbon filter delete, and my airbox filter has been replaced by a Canon. I have the Turner Motorsports intake boot. It makes it sound a lot better, and it responds better. I would custom painted this cover, but as you can see, when it used to have the cover, the protector there, it would ruin the paint when it gets hot, so I have to redo that. I haven't repaired these because I want to replace the lens to make it a crisp xenon light. Also, I want to get some demon lights, which I'm gonna plan to connect to my previous fog switch, so it's gonna be all like OEM looking. If you have any questions regarding any of my mods or maintenance that I've done on the 330, just let me know in the comment section below. Also, you can comment if you want me to make some specific videos on my E90, or if it's custom made maintenance, I'm happy to help out. I do this to inspire other E90 owners to just love their cars. And it doesn't matter if it's not an N54, an N52, although not as fast. I think it's a great car, it's reliable. It simply makes me happy, man. I enjoy every single second that I own this car. Yes, I have had stressful times, it's not working, but most of the time it's been working because of all the maintenance that I've done to it. It's working perfectly, knock on wood. I'm gonna make a list in my video description where you can find all the links to all the parts that I have. I might not mention them all because some of them are maintenance, but they're definitely a good place to look out for them if you're looking for parts, repairing your car, doing some maintenance. Again, I want to thank you for your support, watching my video. Please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps with the algorithm. That way you'll be able to see more of my videos, see more of my content. There's more stuff coming up. I got working with a few companies for interior mods as well as performance mods for the N52 platform. You guys are gonna enjoy. So stay tuned, click like and subscribe.